So babaijesha is going to the court right now, and I'll be taking you through. Babaijesha is on white cardigan with hood, as you can see him.
Move.
This is babaijesha.
Move.
Sorry. So this is babaijesha wearing a white hood and a nose mask.
Madam, I'll kick you.
That's babaijesha with a white hood, covering his head with a nose mask.
To the front.
So that was babaijesha entering the court, and he was wearing a white hood and nose mask. We are still live at the Special Offense Court in Ikeja. And earlier we spoke to Mr. Yomi Fabi and the judge, who said he only came here to observe. We saw babaijesha being led out with some other suspects, and he was wearing a white hood with a nose mask. And we are still live at the court and would wait till the end of the judgment before we come back on this live. For more updates and information, put on your notification. And this is Punch Newspaper. Thank you so much. My name is Gboah.